Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great.
Good morning.
Morning.
Same as usual.
Yes, please, and one for my guest.
No worries.
Thank you for having me. So what is flex space?
Well, picture a workspace that morphs to your needs. Everything from the private nooks you can hide in to those buzzing team spaces. A dedicated workstation where you can just get stuff done, and even really cool cafe lounges like this, all under one roof.
why are businesses jumping on this bandwagon?
Well, it's a perfect storm really, and remote work had a lot to do with it. Companies are asking for cost efficiencies right now, and employees are asking for flexibility. So FlexSpace is really just a tool that helps provide a bit of adaptability in an uncertain business world.
How do property owners like myself benefit from this trend?
Well, it's a game changer for landlords, thank you so much. They get to cast a wider net for their tenants, so they can start speaking to those small tenants they never really approached, while still taking care of those large tenants asking for flexibility. Plus, it's just a really smart and thoughtful way to complement your core leasing strategy.
Any advice for landlords considering the flex route?
Yes, do your homework, speak to your tenants, embrace modular design, don't skimp on the tech, and remember, it's all about the experience and amenities. It's no longer just a desk that you can work from. Actually, there's a really cool project I would love to share with you.